Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do a Barbwire wrap around a bottle that is 12 inches tall, but he also said the diameter is 11.25 and that wouldn't be possible because it would just be a big fat gallon jug. He must be talking about circumference is 11.25. So if that's the circumference, this is your writable area on that bottle if you cut the bottle in half and laid it out flat. But let's change our nudge factor to 11.25. And let's do this. Let's hit the plus key. Now we have 3 bottles laid out. If you will just take this and maybe angle a little bit more. And the good thing about it, you could actually be past your bottle, because when this gets back around, it won't interfere with the next one. But I would maybe, let's do this. Let's move this out of the way for a second. Let's hit P to put this in the center of the page. I didn't group them together. Control G and then P and then go P. And that's going to give you basically three wraps around the bottle. Now you could angle it more and have 4 wraps. Now what you need to do, and don't forget to do this, there was something hidden there. Let me hit F4 on the keyboard. Yep, that's all that's left. Now, don't forget to do this when you put it in your rotary. Control G to group it and rotate it 90 degrees. And I don't know that a rotary is going to take it if it's bigger than your bed size of your laser. I don't think it really matters, but then I would ungroup it. And then take away these boxes. And there you have your wrap. And when you line it up with your bottle, I don't know if I would go center engraving. Probably not. You're just gonna have to do some experimenting on that. I would just try to engrave it, bottom up engraving or normal engraving, and it should turn your bottle because that length is 3 times the normal size of your bottle is around. I'm just drawing it, grasping at straws here, but I believe this will work. And I'm pretty sure he'll let me know. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.